How's it going? 5 behind you? 3 more behind you?
4 more behind.
4, okay, perfect.
Have a good day.
You too. Guys.
So there's 3 more guys back there.
All right.
They probably got stuck up in those trees that are down. So.
All right, you take care.
All right, thanks, man. Have a good day.
You bet. Bye. We got them sawed, now we can clear them. Go ahead.
How's it going?
Good.
You doing all right?
Oh, yeah. Same 5 behind you?
No,
Oh, okay. How's it going? Howdy. How's it going?
Howdy, howdy.
How you guys doing? You didn't happen to pass Joe down there, did you, in his 4-wheeler? A guy in a 4-wheeler? All right. Cool.
But any chance you have the ability to fix a flat tire?
You got a flat, do you?
We have somebody with a flat.
Let me think.
It'd be a long way
I put moose inserts in,
yeah.
but I think I've got some tire changing irons. What do you got? Huh?
That'd be awesome.
But I don't know if I got a tube repair. Do you got anything like that?
I might.
Yeah.
You're a 17, huh? Or an 18?
19.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
TE or TX?
It is the TE. Yeah, injected one. Yeah.
patches and glue.
Patches and glue.
Do you have the ability to take that front tire off? You don't? What do you mean? You don't have any wrenches?
Yeah. Can't we just pop the tube out and find the hole?
That's pretty tough.
On temper style?
Don't even take the wheel off?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure you can do it, but
You want to do it or not?
how strong?
He has...
I might have. I got to check. I'm going to just lay this
You by
guy.
yourself out here?
Yeah. You guys come up from Big Crick?
Yeah.
on the Joe. Did we pass earlier today?
No.
Okay, because I passed like 6 guys.
He
It's
came
the
up to
40.
the top of
Lemonade.
yeah.
Okay, did you come up Pierce Trail then?
516, right?
Oh, you didn't come up Pierce.
We came up from the very end of Big Creek where the fork is.
Yeah, and you had to cross the creek to head up that trail. How deep was it today?
Fuck, I fell in.
Hey, fellas.
I didn't. Last week I didn't go. I turned around and then I sawed trail all the way down into Bronson Meadows. And today I only had to saw out about 3 trees. I'm pretty happy. So
Did you ride the 44?
yes. Tire irons, CO2. Yeah. Whoever wants to do it, I'm not going to do it.
He's got all the.
Lead the tire.
He looks like he's got every.
I probably got everything you need to even take your front tire off if you want. So yeah, I've got extra CO2 here. The only thing is I don't have one of those.
Yeah, that's how John Pepper did it. He just laid that sucker down and boom.
Yeah,
Your axle comes out, lay it on.
turn your fuel off. Yeah, these have fuel injected ones. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, the only thing I do not have is I have this hose, and you got to be quick on it. So, hopefully, check that. See what you think of the integrity. I can't see. I don't have my seeing glasses on. Does it look pretty good? Feel like it's not going to break when we go to air it up? That'd be I have my seeing glasses on. Does it look pretty good? Feel like it's not going to break when we go to air it up? That'd be our biggest problem.
Feels good.
All right. Whoop.
So that's badass. You're able to plate that bike here.
Yeah.
It looks like they let you plate anything here.
Yeah, it isn't. It's in Idaho. You have to have an off-road sticker, and then you have to have the plate to ride the county roads. But it doesn't get me on any of the other stuff. So this is the only tire irons I have. You guys feeling good about that?
Yeah.
What else you need? Wrenches?
A 10?
There you go. You just check it out. That's my torque wrench. Yeah. Is this a 10? That's a 10 right there.
Okay. I'll use this.
Okay.
Oh man, this is some of the most beautiful riding I've ever seen.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Southern Oregon, Medford, Oregon.
Oh yeah?
It was Brian.
Cool. And you guys are staying down at Big Crick?
Yeah, we're here for that Cody Webb clinic tomorrow.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we got a ride thing set with Cody Webb.
Yeah.
St. Mary's and then we wrist tire.
Yep, that's a beaver dam. Yeah, they're all over, and the next pond you'll see their huts.
Cool.
Yep.
Hey, I have a question for you. So what are all these berries growing here?
I have no idea.
Thimbleberry.
Thimble?
Thimbleberry.
Oh.
That's so crazy, dude. I'm fucking Beaver.
Woohoo! Hey, that was fun. I haven't had fun like that in a long time. Yeah.